Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Now just to give you guys a little background about me, my name is Rahul Bhosle and I'm based out of Mumbai. I currently ride Royal Enfield Interceptor, which is around 3.5 years old now, and thankfully almost without any issues actually. Well, last September I had the way to speed tubeless conversion done for my tires, both front and rear. This was done by Hemant Darbar from HD Customs, who is also based out of Mumbai. Now it has almost been a year since I had it installed, and I haven't faced any leakage issues or any such thing. Well, just yesterday I found a nail lodged in the rear tire, and the tire pressure had come down by a few units, just a few units actually. I had no idea, though, since how long it has been in there. Very hard to tell. Anyways, if it would have been the stock setup, with the tubes and everything, I might have definitely gotten stuck somewhere in the rain, either while going to work or coming back. So that was a worthy investment, money well spent actually. I think it cost me around 7,500 back in 2021. Okay, so now just to take a little further, I decided to get a TPMS installed as well. After doing some research, I narrowed down to Sensairy and JK Trail. But after following a lot of forums and posts on Team BHP, XPHP, etc., I found the sensible option to be Sensairy basically, which I believe most of you must be aware of. So I ordered a pair of internal sensors and got them delivered. Some of you might ask, why didn't I go for the external ones, which are very easy to install and also come with a replaceable battery. Well, safety of the product being the only reason for that. I really did not want someone to just get a spanner and just run away with it when it pleases them basically. So in this video I'm just gonna do an unboxing of this product and hopefully be able to capture the complete installation process as well. So here we go. Okay, so we'll just get things started. So this is the box that it comes in, and you have QR codes here for the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. You have some information here, then you have the specifications at the bottom, and this is the seal that it comes with. So I just get it off. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so that's done. Just keep that away. Okay, so now we just get the box off. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay. So this is how the box looks. So you get a couple of sensors here. I'll just get that off, and so these are the two sensors. You get the sensor ID here, you get the other sensor here. Okay, just keep that away. Then in the box you also have a small something like this, and you get the mounting straps here. So ideally in the website, if you go on the website, you'll be able to see only sizes 12, 15 and 17 available for order. Okay, so what I did was, before placing an order, because the Interceptor comes with 18-inch wheels, I talked to them on their the chat option that they have on their website, and they said that instead of sending, they just asked me to order the 17-inch ones, and they would send the 19-inch ones instead once they ship the order. So hopefully these are the 19-inch ones, and I don't have to get back to them for the to correct the product basically. So let's hope things work out correctly. And these are the two sensors, And so basically what we do is we just take the straps off and we insert them in these two openings that we have, and just mount them on the rims. Okay, so I'm just concerned about one thing, that if you're aware, the weight to speed tubeless conversion is actually a mixture of two chemicals, or rubber based adhesives that they call it, and these are basically mounted on the spoke ends on the other side of the rim. Okay, so these straps actually will get mounted on that application that has been done. So let's hope it doesn't ruin the tubeless conversion that I've done. So let's hope for the best, and I'll try to get the complete installation process as well. So let's hope for the best, and I'll keep you guys posted. And yes, I forgot to mention one thing. So the pairing process of this particular TPMS units with your mobile phone, the instructions are available on their website, as well as they have a video on their YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description for that, and I just hope it's useful for you guys as well.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वो लेके आएगा सब सामान।
हाँ चलेगी।
वो अभी क्या मालूम है कि भीमू को
आप जाओगे YouTube पे?
क्या बात है?
हाँ,
ये लो भाई, निकालो। वो नहीं, ये एक्सल निकालो।
एक्सेल निकालो। इसको कोई डैमेज नहीं हुआ ना?
नहीं,
ये वो
ऐसा
इस नहीं इससे ये ट्यूबलेस का ये बनाया है।
हाँ,
उसके इधर बीच में खड्डा नहीं है ना, देख लो।
बराबर।
पहले टायर निकालते हो को ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, नहीं तो कट गया ना।
इसमें तो लीवर जाता ही नहीं है।
नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर
हाँ।
गया ना गलती से, वो फट गया ना तो गया, फिर ट्यूबलेस गया वो
बराबर।
So the clip was not going inside this, so I kind of missed recording the video for the first sensor installation. So I'll probably do it for the front tire. ये चेंबूर का सर्विस सेंटर का बोल रहा हूँ आपको। इसमें अपना रॉयल एनफील्ड का सर्विस सेंटर है कहाँ पे?
हाँ, सीधा थाना में ही।
पांडुप में है, थाना में।
उधर नहीं पकड़ने का, छोड़ दो तुम, कट करके कट जाएगा। जरा से स्टील है।
अभी खाली नीचे वॉल से साइड कर दो।
हाँ, एक मिनट।
वॉल के साइड में बताया है वो।
नहीं, वॉल को जगह रखो, ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ। वॉल के ऊपर मत रखो।
हाँ वही।
वॉल किधर गया? हाँ, ये पट्टी है ना, वो थोड़ा साइड में कर दो खाली।
साइड में, बराबर। नहीं तो हवा भरने को
हाँ, हवा भरने को तकलीफ नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सेंसर किधर भी हो सकता है, उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
सेंसर तो किधर भी रहेगा,
हाँ।
चलता है। हो गया ना?
जितना टाइट होता है उतना कर दो भैया जी, जितना खींच सकते हो ना
हाँ।
पकड़ से उतना खींच लो और बाकी काट दो फिर। बस
ये हो गया। हाँ, ये-
और किधर गया? वैसे भर जाएगा, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
इससे
हवा
कुछ
भरने का
हाँ, हवा भर जाएगा वैसे, उसमें गड्ढा है तो।